So welcome back to Real Time Roundtable. It's another Tuesday, and we thank God for this day. So as promised earlier, and apologies, last week we were not able to upload or do a video episode on that party insurance covers, but we tried to maybe share with you what we were doing over the previous weekend, where we went and had a charity work. We partnered with a charitable organization to go and feed some street children and also do some good things to those people wenye hawajajiweza vile. So today, direct to the point, let us look at the third party insurance covers. Third party insurance covers, they're the cheapest. This is the cheapest insurance cover that you can get if you don't have enough money, enough funds to purchase or to acquire a comprehensive insurance cover. The reason I'm saying it's very cheap is because even with your 4,000, you can be able to get this. With your 7,000, you can be able to get it. The only difference you'll get wakati you're going to buy this insurance cover is one, the one that makes the prices different is the use of the vehicle, the weight of the vehicle, and did I say the use of the vehicle? Use of the vehicle and the weight of the vehicle. These are the different things that will matter when you're acquiring a third party insurance cover. And I don't think there is any insurance company in Kenya that will charge you over 7,000. This is annual. I'm not talking about per 3. Over 7,000 for a third party insurance cover. Whereas we found like comprehensive cover, it can cost you even to 100,000, depending with the value of the vehicle. Depending with the value of the vehicle, third party insurance cover can be less than 10,000. I have seen there was a time we were doing for matatu. We were in matatu industry, and matatu was coming roughly to 7,000. That was monthly. Now because matatu is always on the road, is always running, and it's a business vehicle. So these guys, they were charging I think 7,200 for a matatu. I don't know how much they charge right now, but I am insuring a couple of personal cars, third party insurance, and I think the match that I have paid for is 4,500. Now it depends if you have an agent. If you have an agent, they charge you more because this is the business that this person, he or she, is in. But if you're going direct to insurance company, they'll give you a third party cover with maybe 5,000, 6,000, 4,500. Depends with how much they value or how much they do, because it's also business. Now, as how it is cheap, it has its own disadvantages, because for in comprehensive insurance cover, you say that it recovers a wide range of risk: fire, accidental damage, acts of God. When you come to third party insurance cover, this one first does not cover you who is being in that vehicle. It does not cover any member whom you are related with, householder. It does not cover any person whom you are related with in case of accident. If it's your driver is not covered in that. In case of an accident, we're not saying that there will be an accident. So it will only cover you against legal liabilities against you. Let's say, for example, you're involved in an accident. Your vehicle has hit another vehicle, and your vehicle is completely damaged. So if you are surviving on a third party insurance cover, what will only be catered for, your insurance company will only cater for the other vehicle that was involved in an accident, not your vehicle. And so you have to go to a garage and look for a mechanic and look for a body shop that will repair your vehicle at your own cost. and then the insurance will cater for the other vehicle. In case you hit a person on the road, insurance will sort out that case for the person that you hit during the accident. So you are left with your vehicle to take care of any other thing. But if it was for the case of comprehensive insurance cover, your insurance will have also repaired your vehicle. But now this one, they are only dealing with third party. Third party is you hit a building, insurance will come and deal with the owner of the building, and you are left to deal with your own vehicle. You hit another vehicle, insurance will come and deal with the other vehicle. Now, if in case of an accident and your vehicle is completely damaged beyond repair, and your insurance was a third party insurance cover, what do? What you do, you also follow up with the insurance of the other vehicle. And you have to make sure you're not the one to be blamed during this accident. During this occasion, you're not the one to be blamed. So you follow up with the insurance of the other vehicle that was involved in an accident. Unafuatilia, you go and lodge a claim with them against the client. And it is a procedure because a lot of things will have to be verified, certified, and it's not many cases they accept liability. But if you're lucky they accept liability, the third party insurance will repair your vehicle. Let's come also to another disadvantage of that third party insurance cover. In case of theft, your car has been stolen. Nobody compensates you with a new car. Go back to the market, get yourself a car, old or new, because your insurance is not coming through for this. If for a case it was a comprehensive, your insurance will come for you and will get you a new car because it was theft and they have verified that indeed there was theft. So how will I advise, or what is my opinion when it comes to third party insurance covers? Only go for a third party insurance cover when you are not financially stable. Be knowing that in case of an accident and God forbid you are carrying your family in that car, in that vehicle, they are not covered by insurance. You yourself, you are not covered by insurance. Your employee, maybe you have a vehicle but you have a driver, that driver is not covered in that third party insurance cover. So not unless the situation is very much wanting for you to go for a third party insurance cover, don't go for it. Get yourself a comprehensive insurance cover in case of fire, in case of theft, in case of an accident. Everything is covered in there. And what if the age of the car also? Let's say you're driving a 2002 vehicle, year of manufacture, and this vehicle, even when you look at it, it's very old. And again, you go to an insurance and they ask you for that 1,000 Kenya shillings for them to insure your car. You see, there will be no need for you to pay all this money for this insurance. Get yourself a third party, but you also have to make sure when you're driving, you take extra precautions. You have to take care because you don't want to lose your vehicle, you don't want to lose yourself, you don't want to lose your employee, you don't want to lose any member of your family whom you are together with in that vehicle. So in this case, let only be the financial situation, let only be the age of the car that will make you go for a third party insurance cover. And that's how simple third party insurance covers are. Next time, I want us to look for fraud case. Recently, there was a person who contacted me seeking an opinion, or rather an advice, for a certain case where the relative was involved in an accident. There came a lawyer. Actually, mawakili, whatever work you are doing, we will not encourage you to continue doing it, because in case of any accident, there is always a representative of our kili who is there to take the details of the victims so that they can also help them launch claims with insurance, and also go to the courts. But the things that you are doing in the process, they are not right. Recently, I received a fraud case, and I'll try to see if I can get the person in the interview. And if I cannot get the person in interview, I'll not mention the names, but I rather give a scenario of what happened and why it is not advisable and why it is very wrong for you to engage in such kind of fraud. So guys, keep it here every Tuesday as we look into a fraud. And this is not this is not something that a story. This is something that is very factual. This is something that has happened 2 years ago. Thank you very much, and keep watching, keep subscribing. Tell your friends to subscribe onto the channel. Tell your friends to comment, and we love you until next Tuesday. Thank you.